Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to journal a little bit, and if I have time I'm hoping to decorate some of my, prep my September pages with some watercolor and some stickers and, you know, the stuffs that I like. So that's what we're looking at here, possibly. So let's give it a shot. I had coffee with my mom and dad this morning, so I wanted to put that there because I thought it was super cute. This is a weekly sticker kit from Sweet Kawaii Design from Michaels, and now I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing here. Oh Lord, throwing stuff. What did I just drop? Ugh. I'm a disaster, as ever. I'll just put a piece of washi. 9 a.m. coffee. You guys remember that time that I spelled coffee C-O-F-F-I-E? Yeah, I do too. That's embarrassing. I swear, you can't hide your idiocy on YouTube sometimes. It's out there for the whole world to see. Okay, that's better. I hid it a little bit. Look at these pretty Kita washi strips. Kita? I don't know what it's called. I just know I like them. They were from Anne, our favorite art supply fairy. Ooh, here's the perfect picture. This piece of cake, because we are still eating cake from Henry's birthday. You guys, we got the sheet cake. You're gonna laugh. We got a sheet cake from Costco. You guys know the ones I'm talking about. They're like this big, and it says they feed 48. Well, that's what we got for the 4 of us. But because the Costco sheet cakes are only $9.99, so do yourself a favor, and if you have to get a cake for something, get those cakes, because it is so worth your money. You can freeze part of it. I mean, we don't, because we just end up eating it all.
Because we're fucking pigs.
But if you want to, you can freeze some of it. But like at Hy-Vee, which is our grocery store, like a year or 2 ago, we got Addie like a 6-person cake, a unicorn cake, and it wasn't like a cool unicorn cake like Michael made this year. It was like just like a stupid little thing with like a unicorn. I could have done better. And it cost $20. So $20 for this, or $20 for this, and it's good cake. It is this time, let's see, last year Henry got, it was chocolate with chocolate buttercream icing and filled with chocolate ganache, I think. This year Henry chose vanilla cake with vanilla buttercream icing, and then it had a vanilla cheesecake ganache filling, but the filling is not gross. Like, the filling is amazing. If you like frosting, this cake will make you your pants. It's so good. Oh my God. So yes, we've been eating that like every single night, and don't you worry, it's keto.
I don't want to hear it. It's keto, okay?
We are destroying that cake. Oh, I forgot these stickers. Oh, I didn't forget these. I have the, but these I think are different. I think I put these in the wrong package. Well, this sticker is just about perfect for my kids. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. There we go. How's that? God, priceless. Good Lord. Oh my God, you guys. At work yesterday, I had the worst bloody nose. It was so embarrassing. I was getting a report from the girl I was taking over from, her name's Amanda, and she cracks myself up. I love her so much. And all of a sudden, I'm getting a report from her, and she's like,
dude, you're bleeding all over the place.
and I was like, what? And I like feel my face, and like I take my hand down, and I'm like a trauma victim. It's just pouring out of my nose. And I mean, I have had bloody noses before, but this was insane. It was insane. I don't know if it's from all the ibuprofen I've been taking, from like, you know, my foot and my back. Maybe my blood is just too thin. But at any rate, she's like, oh my God, Emily, how are you gonna get that to stop? I was like, I don't know, I've had bloody noses before, it'll stop. Oh no, this mother trucker did not stop. She had to she's like, oh, my kids get bloody noses, let me help you. So she got a piece of gauze. Thank God we were in a hospital. And then a packet of Vaseline, and she opened it and she squirted Vaseline all up over the gauze, and she's like, shove this up your nostril. And I was like, what? You know, it's like when we have a fresh circ, we're slapping the gauze on it, stopping the bleeding, and like, you know, moisturizing it so that nothing can like, you know, rip on it and stuff. She's like, trust me, it works. It works for my son all the time. So I was like, okay. So I shoved this roll of gauze up my nose that is like covered in Vaseline. It wasn't like a smear of Vaseline. It was like a honking ball of Vaseline on top of this gauze. Shove it up my nose. And it still bled I had to replace that twice. So it still bled like all through report. She's like, let's go in this room, you know, because usually we do bedside report. So this room was empty, the baby that I had. She's like, let's go in here. You look a hot mess. Like, you don't look good. So we were hiding in that room finishing report. Thank God it finally stopped. I was like, oh Lord, what would I have done had you not been here? Because my normal, you know, trickery of getting my nosebleed to stop, well, I mean, it normally doesn't take trickery. It just stops, you know? But it was not stopping yesterday, and I looked a mess. So after that stopped, thank goodness, I was hobbling around work because my foot was still hurting, and my supervisor, Kathy, was like, I got a mandatory, some people. You just want to go home. You're a mess. I was like, yes, please. Just send me home. I can't walk. I'm bleeding from my orifices. Ugh. These are my Posca paint pens. I got them on Amazon and I love them dearly. This one is been a little bit abused because my kids used it on their school art fair project. So they are not as delicate with my art supplies as, you know, one would like them to be. So it got a little bit murdered, but it's all right. Oh, see, now it's flowing better and it's darker. There we go. Just gotta give it time. Theme of life, give it time. You guys will have to give me your opinion. Do you like it when I talk while I journal, or do a voiceover and speed it up so it's more concise? Because you guys know me, I could ramble until the cows come home, but I don't know as if you want that. So you'll have to give me your honest opinion. I'll try and link everything that I use. You know, I just throw everything but the kitchen sink in here, and sometimes I put that in here too. So it's kind of hard to narrow it all down. Sometimes there's such a huge list of things that I use, but sorry for the abrupt switch over to voiceover mode. I think I just got so into my journaling that I forgot to talk to you guys. It was just silent. So I figure I'll just tell you what I'm doing. So that sweet kawaii design little coffee sticker I stuck up in the corner at the beginning just because I thought it was really cute, and I had had coffee with my parents this morning, so I thought that was appropriate. And then I stuck a little box down in the corner along with that Guaranian cat sticker. It's like a big cat like patting a small cat on the head, and it just reminded me of Addie this morning. She told me, Mommy, I don't want to go to school today. I said, well, you need to go to school, because if you don't go to school, you'll be poor and homeless and you'll never have a job. And she's like, you're going to kick me out? I was like, well, no, not tomorrow, but you're going to have a job sometime. And she's like, oh, no, don't worry. I don't need money. I'm just going to live with you and Daddy.
Nope, 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 nope.
So I just wanted to record that little funny tidbit. So I put that little avocado die cut in there because I thought it was really cute, and I've been doing, trying to eat low carb and more healthy, keto-ish, and so I've been having, avocados are part of my everyday life, and so I was putting that in there, and then, writing about how I'm already feeling a little bit better, like just physically wise. I mean, I'm still injured, but. And then these little adorable sticker sheets Anne sent me, and I don't know where they came from, but I will try and find out because they're so cute. I put down a guy reading the newspaper because I thought that was awesome. It reminded me of my dad in the morning reading the newspaper, and then a little salad plate and a cute little a couple cute little birds that were super cute, and like a leaf of lettuce. And then that one that says, let's go. Like, basically me to Addie, let's go to school. You don't have a choice. I was like, well, Addie, that's life. We go to school. You've only got like 20 more years of it. So maybe that wasn't so encouraging. And then I stuck a little alarm clock sticker on the avocado and wrote that I did try, even though I couldn't run, I tried to get up. I got up at 6:30 this morning and went for a little walk. It doesn't hurt me so much when I'm walking. And then I put an oh yeah sticker. And then a cat just taking a walk, because that's what I felt like this morning. A cat taking a leisurely walk. So that's all I have for today. It was nice to get in my journal. I'll give you guys a flip through of what I've done so far this weekend, but I hope that you enjoyed this and that you journaled too. Please subscribe and leave me some nice comments and tell me what you're up to this weekend. Thanks, guys. Bye.